Welcome to AMFA2. Today's session is going to discuss on the topic.
Today's session is going to be on Indigo Airlines. Let's discuss a few features of Indigo, its business, their milestones, business analysis, SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Indigo Airways, which has a stake by InterGlobe of 51.12%. Mr. Gangwal's Virginia-based company Sealam Investments, they hold 47.88% stake in Indigo. Indigo has attracted many daily flyers by a very attractive, a little naughty, but very attractive caption. Sleep with your wife. That means you fly in the morning and come back, return in the evening. Indigo was founded in 2006 as a private company by Rahul Bhatia of InterGlobe and Rakesh Gangwal. Indigo placed an order of 100 Airbus A320-200 aircrafts in June 2005 to launch operations in 2006. The first service started on 4 August 2006 from New Delhi to Imphal via Guwahati. In December 2010, Indigo became third largest airline with a market share of 17.3%. It was a really good growth. In 2011, Indigo Airlines placed an order for 180 Airbus A320 aircraft in a deal worth $15 billion, and airline got permission to launch international flights. In March 2012, Indigo was the most profitable airline in India. In January 2013, Indigo was the second fastest growing low-cost airline in Asia after Indonesian airline Lion Air. In August 2015, Indigo placed an order for 250 Airbus A320 Neo aircraft worth $27 billion, making it the largest single order ever in Airbus history. Again, Indigo announced rupees 3,018 crore IPO on 19 October 2015. IPO is initial public offering. In October 2019, Indigo placed another order for 3,000 Airbus A320 Neo aircraft worth $33 billion, surpassing its own record of the largest single order ever in Airbus history. On 31st December 2019, it became India's first airline to have a fleet size of more than 250 aircrafts. In December 19, Indigo became first Indian carrier to operate 1,500 daily flights. See, that was the growth circle. Now let's quickly go through the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of Indigo. Indigo has the most efficient low-fare operator, not just in domestic market but also globally. This image making it the preferred travel option for many frequent travelers to Gulf countries and where frequent flying is happening from India. Indigo started focusing on those markets as well. It was a very good strength. Indigo offers a service such as multi-channel direct sales, online flight booking, customer support through call centers and airport counters, online flight status tracking, a user-friendly Indigo app for Android. It's a strength. There is a surge in number of people in India who need to travel to foreign locations both for business and pleasure, tour, picnics. This means that there is a huge scope for the airline to expand to more foreign destinations. It was a big opportunity. Increase the frequency of existing routes and long-haul aircraft as per demand. Company has a high level of employee satisfaction and has been consistently voted to India's best places to work in. A very good strength point. The business needs to ensure that sufficient steps are taken to ensure consistent profit, and this required an additional investment. So it was observed a weakness. More competitions reduced market share in domestic market. Air India, Go Air, Air Asia and others in its domestic markets started playing low fare airlines. A threat. Then again a point, strong business partnership with Airbus company for buying more aircrafts for present and future expansions. So that was a deal giving more strength to the company on its negotiation, on its investments. Still has to establish itself on international destinations. That's a weakness. Indigo has codeshare agreement with Turkish and Qatar Airways, so that weakness was overcome by codeshare agreements. Opening up of international routes can boost business of Indigo, so that's an opportunity. Again, excellent marketing and advertising strategy, as we have seen the caption, and also they had a good presence on air and on hoardings, on magazines, print. Indigo operates more than 1,500 daily flights to 87 destinations, 63 in India and 24 abroad. A strength and a very good figure. Competition of railways on short haul routes. In India, the cheap train travel is really a threat for the airlines. Indigo has deployed the iFly facility where their new employees are given complete real-time training on how to deliver the best customer service. It was a strength who they developed. After the safety of Pratt & Whitney aircraft became questionable, the Civil Aviation Authority had to make a decision to ground these airplanes on Dubai Indigo. It had become a weakness. So it is a threat from the external agency, which turned out to be a weakness. No presence in domestic and international cargo carriers was a weakness. The company tied with SonyLive, which is a video app for providing the passengers with entertainment options in flight and at the airport. A strength. Indigo Airlines has limited market share growth due to intense competition. A weakness. Indigo Reach has made a lot of initiatives for the upliftment and well-being of children, women empowerment and environment. Opportunity. Growth in Indian economy, increasing number of domestic flight passengers. It was opened up a plethora of opportunities. More than 10,000 employees are with Indigo serving more than 40 million passengers. Middle class taking to the skies can be a huge opportunity for Indigo Airlines. The dynamics of fuel prices is a threat today and even in the future. Competition from domestic and international airlines, which includes Air India, SpiceJet, Singapore Airlines, it's a threat. So putting all these points segregated and classified under the metrics of strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. Let's go through the fleet size of Indigo Airlines. Airbus A320-200 aircraft Indigo has 112 in service, which can carry 180 passengers. Airbus A320neo, which is in service, 116, and they have already placed another 222 orders, which can carry 180 to 186 passengers. This number, the numbers can vary now due to the pandemic situation and reduced air travels. Airbus A321neo, which is in service, 24 numbers, and in order 130, which can carry 222 passengers. So Indigo has ordered India's first A321neo aircraft. Airbus A321LR, they have placed an order which can carry passengers of 206. Airbus A321XLR, which can carry passengers of 244, they placed an order for 248. And ATR 72-600, which is a smaller flight, which can carry 74 passengers. They have in service 25 aircrafts. So total 287 in service and in order 625. This is the fleet size of Indigo Airlines as per a few months back data. So with this, a few informations on India's one of the successful airlines, Indigo.
How was the presentation? Useful? Please do comment your experience, opinion and suggestions. Meet up again. Thank you.